that she has been paid for participating. She benefited without any prejudice. And now today, she says she will suffer prejudice. And that document, my lord, the Netflix documentary, is published, is circulated to everyone. She has testified, she has said a lot about this case, my lord. And she never asked any limitations of maybe her face or visual not being recorded in that documentary that is being circulated, my lord. Now, when we are dealing with a case, my lord, wherein this court is supposed to listen to the evidence of each and every witness in order to decide on this matter. Netflix, my lord, benefited.
I want to tell you something. It has got nothing to do with this case. Do you remember June the 16th, 1976?
Yes, my lord.
I saw children with bare hands attacking an army with machine guns. I saw it.
We have no record of that.
No. That's why I say I saw it.
The problem we had firstly is that there are no utterances that we could hear from the video clip.
Have you heard of sign language? It's now official. It's an official language, sign language. Right, you heard me. So?
Yes, and then when I was asking him as to what was he doing, Mr. Ntuli, my lord, denies that he was referring to the witness when he was speaking with the gesture depicted in the video clip. As you can see, my lord, that he was speaking next to number 4, who was next to him, not that he was speaking to the witness.
Okay, fine, Mr. Baloi.
The next question, we have not been given an explanation by the state, my lord, regarding the whereabouts of the statement that the witness has referred to.
Has written.
A written statement.
Written statement, fine,
yes,
thank
because
you.
the witness, my lord, has referred to a written statement,
Right.
which has not been submitted, my lord, to the defense.
Okay, fine, I hear you.
And my lord, my submission is that it is crucial that that statement, because the witness has confirmed under oath that he did make it, that statement should be produced in order to verify, my lord, the truthfulness.
Statement should be produced by whom?
By the state, because the witness belongs to the state, my lord.
This is on the assumption that this witness has given the state the written statement.
My lord, I don't think he would have made, I agree, my lord, I don't think he would have made the statement for someone else or for any other intended purposes.
Okay, fine.
Yes, my lord, whether it was made with the investigating officer or by himself, but it should have landed to the state.
Okay, fine.
And now, my lord, we are faced with a typed version on which the witness has testified with. Therefore, the defense is asking for the original statement which the witness has referred to.
Okay, fine.
And has not been submitted to the defense in order to verify truthfulness, the discrepancies, omissions, and everything, my lord.
Okay, fine.
Even the type statement, my lord, will recall that it was also produced during the trial. It was not produced.
That's not true, man. The type statement was disclosed. Hello? Mr. Baloi, wasn't it disclosed with the docket?
No.
Well, the statement was only taken down, I think on
the 31st of May.
Yes.
Of July, you said?
Yeah, I think it's
because
May.
This witness was, for some reason...
31st of May, yes. 31st
Hello?
It was taken down on the 31st of May.
That's it.
Yes.
Unless you say Mr. Baloi is not telling this court the truth. This statement, according to Mr. Baloi, was taken on the 31st of May, the typed one. Is that not so?
I think, my lord, Mr. Baloyi has answered to say this statement was not disclosed to the defense before the trial started.
Fine.
It was disclosed last week.
Fine.
Yes, my lord. Which is causing prejudice on the side of the state, because what we are asking now, my lord, we're supposed to have requested it, or we're supposed to have discussed it with the state before the trial started. The original statement of the typed version, my lord.
Yeah, but Mr. Baloyi says there are special circumstances here. This witness was threatened with death, and he was supposed to have made the statement then, and because he was threatened with death, and I emphasize it, he was taken under the witness protection program. And Mr. Baloyi says the reason why, for instance, his name does not appear in the list of witnesses on the charge sheet, it was because they did not want to disclose that he was going to give evidence because he's threatened with death. And Mr. Baloyi says, as a result of security reasons, this statement was only taken on the 31st of May, is it, Mr. Baloyi?
Yes, it was taken down on 31st of May.
That's the background, please.
And according to Mr. Musia, he inspected and could not find the bullet.
ngokukamusiya ke yena ke wakhangela phaya akazange afumane imbumbulu.
The reason why I'm putting this one to you, the reason why Mr. Musia did not find this bullet, it's because it was not there when he inspected the area, and it was planted by the people who were moving in and out of the scene after he had left and before your arrival.
Unobangela okokuba ngaba ke umsiya angafumananga nto phayana ekukhangeleni kwakhe kungoba yabekwa phayana lembumbulu yayingekho phayana yaze yabekwa ngaba bantu babephuma bengena phaya emveni koba ehambile yena phambi kokuba ufike wena.
Ukuyifumana kwam imbumbulu ndayifumana ngoba ndiske ndisuse ama-glass jars ndishifte izinto ezaziphezu kwekhabhathi.
Finding or how I found the bullet, my lord, was by shifting the glass jars as well as also shifting the other items that were on the top there.
Uba ndandingasetshanga nam ndilandele lo mnyango omoshakele ndijonge nje ngongasusi izinto phezu kwekhabhathi mhlawumbi ndandingenawuyibona le bullet.
If, my lord, I hadn't followed the trajectory as per the damage on the door, and if I hadn't moved those items, maybe I would also not have found that bullet.
So ngokususa kwethu izinto ezaziphezu kwetafile kulapho ibullet yafumaneka khona, ibullet head yafumaneka khona emva kwe-glass jars.
So by removing the items that were on the top there, that is where the bullet head was found.
But my point is, that bullet was not there, and it was placed by people who were moving in and out of that area since it was not closed to avoid tampering with the crime scene.
Kodwa ke yona nto ndithethayo mna kuwe yokuba ngaba yayingekho phaya yabekwa ngaba bantu abo babephuma bengena phaya ngoba kwangavalwanga so nabani na wayephuma engena phaya
Before you arrived.
phambi kokuba ngaba ufike.
Andizukwazi ukuyiphendula into eyenzeke before ndifika, ndithetha mna ngento eyenzeke ndikhona uba ibullet ndayifumana emva kwama-glass jars, emva kwalama-glass jar.
I won't be able to speak about something that happened prior to my arrival, my lord. I am talking about that which happened when I was there, that I found the bullet behind those glass jars.
Thank you for
Andinabo
that.
ubungqina boba yabekwa ibullet pha. Mna ubungqina endinabo boba ibullet ndayifumana emva kwama-glass jars.
I have no evidence, my lord, that the bullet was planted there. The only evidence that I have is that I found the bullet behind the glass jars.
Thank you for that. But my question is, people had been moving in and out, passing that area where you discovered that bullet after Musia had left.
Kodwa ke yona nto ndiyibhekisayo kanye ndithethayo kuwe yokuba ngaba abantu babephuma bengena phaya emveni koba ngaba umsiya wayemkile phaya.
Ndiyakuva.
I hear you.